Welcome dear students in my course Name, Age, Determinants of Quality of Life. Today we will discuss the topic integrating peace and harmony with nature and people. Content of this module are conceptual frameworks of peace and harmony, peace with nature, that is the ecological harmony, peace with people, that is the social and cultural dimension, interconnectedness of social and ecological peace, applied models and movements for integrated peace, personal integration and reflective practices, and key takeaways, and last is conclusion. Learning objective of this module is, by the end of this module, student will be able to comprehend the philosophical, ethical and spiritual underpinning of peace and harmony in relation to nature and human society. They analyze the interdependence between ecological well-being and social peace using interdisciplinary frameworks. They critically evaluate global and indigenous approaches to peace building and environmental stewardship. They propose value-driven strategies for fostering harmony with both people and the natural world. They reflect on their personal roles in cultivating peace through everyday ecological and social practices. Conceptual frameworks of peace and harmony. First, we define the peace beyond conflict absence. That is the positive peace by Galton. Presence of justice, equity and ecological balance, not merely absence of violence, are positive peace. Holistic harmony, that is the internal, interpersonal, societal and ecological levels of coherence and balance. Harmony in Eastern, indigenous and eco-spiritual tradition, that is discussed in dharmic tradition, example Buddhism and Jainism, are ahimsa, that is the non-violence, interconnectedness, compassion for all life forms. Ubuntu in African philosophy, that I am because we are. Relational personhood and communal coexistence. Indigenous worldview, that are land as sacred, humans as part of, not separate from ecosystems. Core values underpinning peace and harmony are compassion, non-violence, justice, interdependency, co-responsibility, equity and sustainability. Peace with nature, ecological harmony. We discuss by buy local and seasonal product, save energy and use alternate source of energy, use carpools whenever possible, avoid plastic bags, ensure low waste productions, recycle and buy recycled products, choose sustainable products, reduce number of trips on personal vehicles, plant more trees and using public transports. Nature as a stakeholders, expanding moral consideration to non-human entities. Legal innovations, rights of nature, example, that's a river granted legal personhoods in New Zealand and India. Ecological disruptions and social instability. Environmental degradation as a root of resource conflict, migration and poverty. case of this is climate change exacerbating geopolitical tension and displacement, that is Sahel region and Pacific Islands. Eco-philosophies and peace are in deep ecology, that is Arnenize, intrinsic values of all life, self-realization through environmental identity. Next is spiritual ecology, that is sacredness of earth as foundational to planetary healing. Ecocentric ethics, that is harmonizing human development within ecological limit. Peace with people, social and cultural dimensions are building intercultural respect, reconciliation and solidarity, promotion of human rights and responsibilities, living in harmony with earth, cultivating inner peace, living with justice and compassion, and dismantling the culture of war. Everybody needs to act on these petals of the flower. Structural violence and social fragmentation. Galtung's concept of structural violence are social arrangements that harm or disadvantage individual, that is inequality, racism and patriarchy. Environmental injustice as a double burden on marginalized communities. Community resilience and harmony are social capital, trust and cultural continuity as resilience mechanism. Case studies are post-conflict ecological restoration in Rwanda through community farming and shared land ethics. Conflict transformation through ecological cooperation, shared resource management as a conflict mitigation strategies. Examples are Indus Water Treaty, a long-standing cooperative water sharing agreement between India and Pakistan. Interconnectedness of social and ecological peace or sustainable development outcome, that is the system level feedback is by and emergence the system are negative system level feedback and the positive system level feedback focus on processes of emergence and feedback. Ecological processes are cycle with social ecological interdependence, sees and feedbacks that lead to social processes. Subsystem level focus on socio-ecological interaction and feedback. Systems thinking approach are understanding human nature relationship as interdependent system that impact of consumerism, urbanization and extra activism on peace and biodiversity. Integral ecology given by Pope Francis Laudato Si. Ethical ecology, care for the earth and social inclusion are two sides of the same moral imperatives. SDGs as a framework for integrated harmony goal such as Sustainable Development Goal 16, peace, justice and strong institutions, and Sustainable Development Goals 13, that is the climate actions, reflect interconnectedness pathway. Applied models and movements for integrated peace are personal peace, intersectionality and intercultural competency, peace and conflict theory, conflict analysis, creative strategies for peace, peace history and heroes, conflict management and transformation, emotional intelligence, community and coalitions, buildings and communicating peace and personal peace. Gandhi's constructive programs are village self-reliance, non-violence, that is the Ahimsa, and Sarvodaya, welfare for all. Peace as not only absence of war, but presence of just regenerative society. Eco villages and transition towns, that's our community models integration, integrating ecological living and social solidarity. That are real life examples are Auroville in India, that located in near Puducherry, Findham, that is the Scotland, and Totnes in UK, United Kingdom. Education for sustainable peace, eco-pedagogy, learning practices that cultivate environmental and social consciousness, UNESCO Peace Education Framework, that is empathy, cooperation and critical reflection. Personal integration and reflective practices are integrated recycle. Reflective cycles are experience, reflection on actions that create the preparation and that make the theory. Then this theory remain go for experience and reflection of action and preparation. This cycle is going on in all the personal life. The inward journey to outer harmony, mindfulness, eco-gratitude and contemplative ecology. Practices are nature journaling, ethical consumptions and ecological meditation. Individual role in systemic transformation, that is small is beautiful. The cumulative power of small ethical choices. Embracing lifestyle simplicity, active citizenships and biocentric empathy. Key takeaways of this slide are: peace is a holistic state of relational, ecological and spiritual well-being, not just the absence of violence. Human nature harmony is foundational to sustainable peace. Environmental degradation is both a cause and consequences of conflicts. Indigenous and philosophical traditions offer rich paradigm of coexistence and ecological reverence. Interdisciplinary integrations from ethics to politics to psychology is crucial to address today's complex crisis. Each individual can contribute a harmony through conscious living, system awareness and compassionate actions. Thank you.